427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. It went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got the AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got one of our custom grind hydraulic rollers, custom pistons. It's got the Pro-Am manifold on it. Fuel management is Holley Terminator X. Mark serpentine. Make sure the alternator charged for you. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty. Down at 3,500, it's 497 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 530, peaks horsepower 522. Rated at 520, it's got a front end that's usually 10 or 15, so it runs really good. Get her off here in a crate, come your way, have a great day.